In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect electric guitar to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which MacBook and of which electric guitar you are using, you will be able to connect them together. To establish this connection, you will need an instrument cable to connect the guitar to an audio interface. So alongside the instrument cable, make sure that you have access to any audio interface. For this video, I'm using the Scarlett 2i2 as an example from Focusrite, but any audio interface will work. So browse through various options if you don't already have one, and once you have it selected, you will establish a connection by plugging it to your guitar with an instrument cable. So one end of the instrument cable goes into the guitar and the other one into the interface. There's no secret to this, so just plug them into the appropriate ports. Once you have the connection established to the audio interface, plug the audio interface to your MacBook, primarily using a USB cable. So it is going to be the bridge between the guitar and your MacBook. Once you have the guitar connected to the audio interface with the instrument cable and the interface itself connected to your MacBook with USB cable, you will be good to go. Now you can open any sort of software such as GarageBand, and it is going to be detected. So you start a new project, and as long as you have it connected, you will be good to go. Another popular option, if you don't want to use an audio interface, is to purchase one of these, the iRig HD2. It is essentially the same function as an audio interface, but it is much more portable. So instead of needing the bulky audio interface that might have more ports than you need, this one streamlines the process, so you can connect your guitar using an instrument cable just like before to this specified port here, and then you plug it into your MacBook with a USB cable just like you would with the interface. So it is also going to be the bridge between the instrument and your MacBook, but it is much more portable. And even though it doesn't give you access to all of the other ports, like an audio interface, most of the time you wouldn't need them if you only intend to use it with an electric guitar. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.